is the day of revolution. Today is the day of holy revolution. I have told you about the rebellion, that in rebellion we move in a pendulum from one to another end. As a result of inertia, but through the ascent, when we achieve a higher state, it's only possible when there is a revolution, and revolution takes spirally. The movement has to be spiral to land up at a higher position. So this is the revolution, which is the holy revolution. We have known of many revolutions so far. We have had revolutions in our country. In other Western countries also we have had revolution. On the political grounds, on the grounds of disparities. Many other things have been fought through revolution, but still the ascent has not been achieved within. I am talking about the revolution within ourselves. So I am sure you are expecting a lot of things to happen to you, but keep your minds open, because it's a revolution. It's not just a pendulum that from comfort you are coming to discomfort. One thing you have to realize, it has nothing to do like an anti-culture stuff. You have come here to jump into your subtler and subtler sensitivities. So the grosser sensitivities must be neglected and negated so that you can feel your subtler sensitivities. Once you start understanding this basic principle of enjoying it, I am sure the whole venture will be extremely fruitful. So to allow your full capacities to manifest, try to negate, to overlook your gross sensitivities, whichever come in between. This revolution starts on such a day today. I am very happy. So we have to have the revolution acceptable to us. You know, when French Revolution took place, how people lived. When in this country people fought for their freedom, how they lived. I know my father sacrificed every single farthing he had. We had to live in huts while we lived in very great comforts ourselves. He sacrificed everything. My mother went to jail 5 times. My father went to jail 3 times. And every time he was in the jail for not less than 2 to 3 years. So you can imagine with so many children how they sacrificed everything that they have to achieve this freedom. Now, if you have to achieve the freedom of the spirit, we must have the sense of sacrifice. But it doesn't mean sacrifice with complaint, but sacrifice that can be enjoyed. Sacrifice of which you have to be proud. Sacrifice that you don't feel. Sacrifice that ennobles you. That is the spirit with which this revolution has to take place.